Today, I'm going to show you how to make Kingfish Sarciado. Let's start by prepping all of our vegetables. We're going to start with the green pepper first. Just going to clean it out a little bit. We're only going to use half. Now we have this beautiful, nice kingfish. We're going to season, salt and pepper both sides. Don't be shy. Okay. All right. Press that in nicely. Wonderful. I got one more wonderful kingfish steak. You just shake it nicely. Don't be shy. Take it out, do the same, okay? Put on a paper towel to absorb some of that extra oil. Okay, using the same pan, we're going to put in our minced garlic. All right. And our onion. Get that in. We're going to add the tomatoes. Don't forget your green pepper. Alright. Cook all that down. Alright, let's add our water. This is what we want. Okay. Fish sauce. All right. We're going to add our chicken cube, and it's going to dissolve. Let this come to a boil. As you can see, it's come to a boil. Our chicken cube has been dissolved. So now we're going to add back in our fish nicely. Beautiful. This is what you want. All right. Oh wow, this smells delicious. Okay, we're going to simmer this for 3 minutes, covered, so that flavor will seal in nicely. Oh wow. Okay, guys, look at this. Wonderful. All right, let's just scramble our egg. Another nice quick scramble. I'm just going to pour it in nicely. Different spots around the fish. Let that sit. All right. Okay guys, this is ready. This is it guys, Kingfish Sarciado. Thanks guys for watching, and until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.